Hello, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our today's video ay tungkol sa Idol Kids PH na nagsimula na last week. Alamin kung sino yung pasok. But subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto mag-likes, shares, comments, and views. Aabutin ng 500 si support natin sa ating social media ka. Latest vlog for today's ay Idol Kids PH Bayad Week Recap. Here's your vlogs. 348 in episode 348. That's all. Watch this. Ayan, simulan natin. Panoyin natin ang highlights for this week's Idol Kids Recap. Okay, nagsimulan na ang Idol Kids last June 28, 29 sa TV through TV5 and A to Z. Congratulations sa lahat ng hosts, sila Robby Domingo at Jolina Magdanal, Gary B, Angelique Quinto, Regine B, Velasquez, and Juan Carlos, and also to Emilio Daes and Shania Gomez. Ito na, sisimulan na natin. Now, nasa 10 days last week, 10, pero 8 lang nakapasok sa next round. Ito si Mateo, yan ang contestant na may tinatawag natin mayor sa school. 4 yeses at pasok na sa next round. Pero unfortunately, yung contestant na nanalo sa poetry na si Asher, di maintindihan na yung pangalan ng first name, but Ash, pero 2 years lang siya at 2 no's, kaya di siya nakapasok sa next round. But hopefully, you did it well about singing and poetry. Ano, nakapasok si Yamya, pero isa lang yung no. Pero 3 yeses. Ayan. Congrats at her voice is loud. Gab and Clay pasok na sa next round with 4 yeses. Si Clay nagba-biking. Biking. Pagpita, yung tatay niya, na parang delivery rider pa more. on the second day of, of Idol Kids, that 4 ang makapasok. Natalie, na sumali sa acting contest, sabi ni Juan Carlos, singing contest do, hindi acting contest. Pero pasok in 4 yes eh. Mahilig kayo mag-junakis mo. Ay, nako. While si Prince, 3 yes and 1 no, nakapasok na. Pero yung pambata na Going Bulilit, na si Ripa, kasi Going Bulilit po siya, si Ripa, na sumali siya sa contest ito ng Idol Kids. Nag-give a 4 yeses, congratulations. Pero, 2 yes and 2 no lang for Keeper. Si Keeper, gusto ko sanang pumasok sa next round. Bakit dito pumasok si Keeper? Kasi, yung 4 idol judge, na gusto ko mag-prosthetic eyes para sa tatay na nanuha na siya ng yung mata. Na nalaban na siya ng mata sa right. Kaya, good fight. Keep fighting. Kahit hindi makapasok sa next round. Congrats, Keeper. And Alexa Mendoza, ang mga idol judge na papuri at 4 yeses ang nakapasok sa next round. Congratulations! Ayan! Yehey! Congratulations sa 8 nakapasok. And hopefully tomorrow and on Sunday, bagong Idol Kids hopefuls makakapasa sa standards this Saturday and Sunday on A to Z, TV5, Kapamilya Channel, and Kapamilya Online Live. And that's it for latest vlog for today. See you on Sunday. Goodbye. God bless.